My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding.
Trapping at the house with the boys on the wonders.
So I put a poll on my Instagram page asking like what you guys want to see, and one of the things that you guys said was a skincare routine. Honestly, skincare is a really sensitive subject for me because I've honestly been through it all. Yeah, that was me. I feel like I've come like a far way.
Is that even how you say? No, it's not. I've come a far ways, bitch. I've come a long way.
Dumbass.
With my skincare, so like I just want to show you guys like what I do to hopefully maybe help you, because I know when I was having like breakouts like this, I was constantly like on YouTube, just like the internet, looking things up, like what the hell can I do to get rid of these mounds on my face. I'm not saying like my skin right now is like perfect, like, but it's so much better than what it used to be. I feel like by me like sharing this, like I might as well like see if I can like help one of you guys. So that's what we're doing. So let's get on into this skincare routine. Actually, I do this routine after I hop out the shower, just because I feel like I first wash my face with just like warm water in the shower to just get all like the grease, the dirtiness, the dustiness off of my face, and then I get into my routine. So let's hop on into it. Let's get
It's Brad.
really cringy already. So, the first thing that I really like to do is just clean my face. And so I use the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. Hashtag not sponsored, but should be. They DM me. Receipts right here. I just really love these Neutrogena products because they really are doing that for my skin. Like, was good. And it says they're #1 dermatologist recommended. There we go. #1. That's the only thing we put on our faces. #1. I don't want to use like a lot of product on my face because my skin is really sensitive and it can like dry out my skin if you put too much. So I usually do like one pump. A little water in my hand, rub it together, and then just, you know, do a nice little even coat everywhere. Where's the blow?
Where's the fucking blow? Where's the fucking blow, baby?
Just really get in because this is such like a deep cleanser, honestly. Your skin after just feels so refreshed. Like this is honestly my favorite like facial soap. Just rinse it off. That's another thing. When you're drying your face, make sure to like pat dry. Don't like, you know, we're young. We don't need those wrinkles. Come on. We have modeling careers to uphold. So after we have like the base oils and dirt out, if you have any like particular spots that are like, you know, they're like pimples, any like blackheads that you have. I use this, the Alba Botanica Acne Dough Deep Clean Astringent. And just anywhere where you have like small like pimples, big pimples, just anywhere you have like little imperfections, you just, let me look. You just dot it. And then it's a little tingle, but like that's how you know it's working. Just anywhere where you see stuff, just wipe it away. And then you just leave that on and let it soak. It's not like something that you like take off. You just kind of wipe it to make sure you get that excess dirt out. This is literally so disgusting. Didn't do anything. Okay, so now that we are done with like deep cleaning astringents, I usually put like a Anyways, So after I really like deep clean my skin, just get everything out, I usually put like a face mask on. My favorite face mask ever is this gold collagen peel off mask. Yeah, gold, you know we're bougie here. 24 karat gold. I didn't buy it because you know damn well I'm broke. Shout out to K Dang for really hooking me up with this shit, because honestly this works wonders and I'm not excited for the day it runs out because broke boy can't pay for it. It says to leave on for 20 to 30 minutes until completely dry, and then you gently peel off the mask from the bottom to the top and then use 2 to 3 times weekly for the best results. That's been my Bible and we've been killing games. So how I apply it, I squeeze like a bit onto my finger. That was probably way too much. And just apply and like strokes, and like just try and get it as even as you can, just so when you peel it off it's not coming off like flaky, you know. So you want like, ooh, ew, but like you want just enough, but you want just enough, ooh, oh my god, to where it's thick. Same, a nice thick coat, but not too much, you know? So I'm just gonna apply it now. Another thing, when you're doing it, you wanna like make sure each part is connected, so when you peel it off, it comes all like at once instead of having to like peel off like multiple different spots. As you can see, it really does not have to be perfect. You just gotta get that shit off, like on your face, so you can peel that shit off. After you're done with that, you just let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes. And just, you know, just kind of like have fun.
Got him. How the hell you getting all that ass in them beds? How you drinking and you ain't got no glass? Now how you came in here and you ain't got no man? What? Damn, to me you look perfect. Bend that ass over, let me see how you work it. Popping and shaking, get on your knees, hit the dirt. Girl, I go so deep in that pussy, probably just sitting in the surface. What did you say?
One eternity later.
Okay, so it's been like 20 to 30 minutes and like it gets like hard and like cracky, and like I usually don't know like where to peel it off, but like I like stretch out my mouth. I'm sorry, but like I have to like stretch out my mouth to like crack it and then like take it. It looks so crazy. Ow. And I get like the edge and then I just peel it off. Hopefully it comes off nice. Oh my god, it's not coming off nice. Fuck. Y'all. Oh shit. Okay. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Oh, that kind of hurts. Shit. Ooh, bitch, this never hurts like this. I do this 2 to 3 times a week, like it says. It never hurts like this, bitch. What? Ooh. This mask playing with me, bitch. Ooh, shit, bitch. Ooh, okay. Ooh, what did I do this time? So most of it is off, like, but there's still some. So like this happens often actually. So I usually like wet like a towel, kind of just like take away like the excess mask. Now all of the face mask is off, and like, I just love what it does to my skin. So I use this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum, and this is the lotion that I posted on my Instagram. It's just honestly like the perfect lotion because it's like so light on your skin, but like at the same time it's like you can feel like there's something there. So it's like hydrating, but it's so like light and like airy. Like it's perfect. With this, I usually do like 2 or 3 squirts, but like only this much. Just rub it, like just put it all over.
And all my patience, get it from the Haitian, sneaking loud my eye look Asian. Get into the money, running to it, trying to chase it.
And we're good. Like living our best lives. Yeah, that's what I do for my skincare routine. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for just some random shit. I find speaking to you guys and seeing what you guys want is like the way to go, honestly. I just want to create like a relationship with all my subscribers. Okay, I hated that. Thank you guys for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. Doses!